Nolann World.
Nolann World.
Nolann World. Nolann World, man.
Nolann World.
Nolann World. I will steal your girl. I'm a whale. My name is Pearl. Blonde hair, and it's got a curl.
What's up, dude?
Oh my god, dude! I didn't even see him.
So loud! So loud! So loud! Fuck. He already started his card. I just. You know, Nolan's the biggest bitch I've ever.
Oh my god, dude.
I've actually never met someone that's as bitchy as Nolann. Dude, he has gotten the confidence. There should be like a documentary. I would never let him.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be having sex with Lance. Fuck yeah. Let's do it.
I got so see you on the way.
Whoa! Whoa!
We gon' go all night. We gon' light it up. Yeah. You live above us?
I know where to go. I know. Ryan. Ryan, where are you going, bro? Oh no! Ryan! What did I mean? Give a statement, right, Brayden?
I hit a dead body.
This zooms in really far, so you don't have to get that. Wait, a dead body of what?
43.01 northeast.
What the fuck?
7.23.
Bro, what?
If the police are watching, go look.
Like this.
Go ahead, right now.
You made the channel.
Wait, I did this channel. That's so cool.
By Young
You filming?
Gravy.
I don't have the remote.
That's the remote.
I can't help you, my brother.
The invest.
Let me know your mom's titties off.
What?
That's what she says all the time.
Is it? It's already filming.
He's filming me. He's filming me. He's filming me.
What the hell, dude?
Oh.
You flexing for the...
Oh shit.
Watch out, ladies.
Okay.
God, Calvin.
It's coming for your moms.
Wiener Schnitzel.
Talk them out.
How do I do that? If I have it on like. Yeah.
Sure you don't want any more food there, big boy?
Strawberry. No. I get strawberry.
You want some strawberry? Okay, this time.
No face, no case.
You can't see your face with that text.
What cases in like pedophilia cases?
Damn it, Lauren! You ruined every clip. Ah, Jesus.
What the? Wood-fired pizza. How is pizza gonna get a job?
I should not walk into my room today. I told you.
Oh man, that's
My
done.
shirt, bro.
It's in the group chat if you want to save.
This? I'm not. Yeah.
That's just.
Okay, go.
that would be so funny. Oh, dude. Sexy man.
I know. I literally, and for 4 fucking corners.
How's he know all those moves? Dude, get the fuck out of the shot. How's he know all those moves? Just get a close up, dude. What am I gonna tell him?
Like, hey, can I interview you for my vlog?
Jedi or? Oh, you're out, bitch. You're out. Oh.
You guys gonna sing this with me or what? What's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away from girls tonight. You look so pretty. What you do to me? Oh, it's what you do to me. Everybody, come on. Oh, it's what you do to me. what you do to me.